walking around, touring the farm, looking to see what weeds. Karen can change our mind on actually being weeds. She was just showing me something earlier that I had no idea was what it was or that it was even useful out by the chicken coop.
Yeah.
She was amazed that I had.
I think that's interesting.
So I think we're gonna walk around a little bit first and kind of show you the farm and if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask me. And then I think we're gonna go over just right down the road to my parents' farm and do the pitching thing.
Yes, we're going to teach you how to prepare bitter melons.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Half of it is just a big patch of red American Legion poppies, and the other half is all chamomile. So we get the chamomile and dry it for teas and stuff like that, and then the poppies are just, everybody likes the poppies. They have people stopping on the road and take pictures of it. But this was the first year that we let that take over like that. We just kind of playing around with the way we manage stuff and what we're doing with it and how we do it and everything. And it's kind of an experiment that we're playing with. And then hey guys, so we came over here to kind of take a look at my new venture at Grow, which is growing mushrooms naturally. So what we do is we inoculate the logs. You can see the plugs on there. These guys here are the reishi mushrooms. Reishi, that's how you say that, right? Reishi, something, however you say it. But these guys, with doing them in the logs, it's a lot more natural way to do them, but you don't have nearly as much control as like growing them in the sawdust bags or the sock bags, and it takes a lot longer for them to take over the log, inoculate the mycelium to do its thing. So we won't get any mushrooms until next year, but I just like the idea of doing it more natural way than doing it instead of doing it indoors and in sawdust bags and things like that. I just think to me, it just seems like just like anything. If you're growing it more naturally, then you're going to have more of the good things in the mushroom than like it's like the difference between growing commercially and growing like we do. But yeah, we started Reese's. We've got turkey tails over there, and then we've got shiitakes and blue oysters over in a different area. So hopefully this will be a new addition to the farm next year. Be able to offer people fresh mushrooms.